In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Mailchimp account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the official Mailchimp website. This is important because you will be creating an account, and you always want to make sure you are entering account details only on the correct website. The Mailchimp homepage may show different sections depending on your screen size or location, but the main option you are looking for is the Sign Up Free button. Look toward the top area of the page or near the main section of the homepage and click Sign Up Free. This will take you to the account creation page. The Sign Up Free option is used when you want to create a new Mailchimp account without starting on a paid plan right away. After you click it, wait a few moments for the sign up form to appear. If the page takes a little time to load, that is normal, especially if you are opening the site for the first time. Now you should see the form where Mailchimp asks for your basic account information. The first field is where you enter your email address. Use an email address that you have access to because Mailchimp may use it for account-related messages and verification. Make sure the email is typed correctly before moving on, since a small spelling mistake can make it harder to access your account later. After that, move to the username field. Enter the username you want to use for your Mailchimp account. This is the name you may use when signing in, so choose something that you can remember easily. If the username you enter is already taken, Mailchimp may ask you to choose a different one. If that happens, simply adjust it until the site accepts it. Next, enter a password in the password field. Since this password protects your Mailchimp account, make sure it is strong and not something easy to guess. You do not need to say the password out loud or show it to anyone. Just type it carefully, and if Mailchimp displays any password requirements on the screen, follow those requirements before continuing. These requirements are usually there to help keep your account secure. Once your email, username, and password have all been entered, review the form quickly. This is a good moment to check that there are no typing errors and that each field has been filled in correctly. Taking a few seconds here can prevent issues when you try to sign in later. When everything looks correct, click the Sign Up button to create your Mailchimp account. After you click, Mailchimp will begin processing the information you entered. Depending on the page, you may be asked to continue with additional account setup afterward, but the main account sign-up process begins with this button. If you want to sign up faster, you may also see an option to connect your Google account instead. This allows you to use an existing Google account to help create and access your Mailchimp account more quickly. If you choose that option, click the Google Sign Up option and follow the prompts shown on screen. Make sure you select the correct Google account if more than one appears. This can be a convenient option if you prefer not to create a separate username and password manually. And that is all there is to it. You have now started the process of setting up a Mailchimp account by visiting the website, choosing Sign Up Free, entering your account details, and either signing up directly or using the Google account option for a faster setup.